Hello, welcome to NIF. Today let's make dragon chicken. Take a pan to mix chicken. Add 1 kg chicken. Add maida 1 teaspoon. Add 2 teaspoon corn flour. Add 1 teaspoon rice flour. Mix it all. Add 2 teaspoons of pepper. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt. Add 2 teaspoons of soya sauce. Add some vinegar. Add 1 beaten egg. Mix it all. Take a pan and add oil to deep fry chicken. Add chicken and deep fry it. After some time, stir it slowly. Now take it aside. Now take another pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped onion. Add 2 to 3 garlic finely chopped. Add ginger 1 teaspoon. Saute it once. Add 2 to 3 red chilies. Add 1 cup of sliced capsicum. Add 1 cup sliced onion. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce. Add 2 teaspoons of pepper. Mix it all. Now add chicken into it. And mix it once. Dragon chicken is ready. Enjoy it. Please do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.